Measuring and scaling social impact. What is social impact? It's the positive change that your enterprise has created or affected over time. This can be social, economic, or environmental. As a social enterprise, creating positive social impact is at the heart of what you do, and you must be able to identify, understand, and capture the full value of the impact of your activities. Impact is central to your organisation strategy, as it helps you know whether you are meeting your long-term missions and visions. Why is it important that we measure impact? It's important to measure impact so that we can explain our social and environmental impact and value. The goal of impact assessment is to bring about a more ecologically, socio-culturally, and economically sustainable and equitable environment. Impact assessment promotes community development and empowerment, capacity building, and the development of social capital. How do we measure impact? There are 4 main methods of measuring impact, often used by startups and social enterprises. Storyboard impact mapping. This is a theory of change method that allows you to clarify the changes you want to see happen. It is a simple tool that helps identify the most important things to measure, almost like a business flowchart or a mind map. Outcome star. This is used for charitable purposes, used to measure the impact you have on individuals. Each of these stars employs different outcome measurements, such as happiness, which the user fills out at intervals to demonstrate change. Social accounting and audit. Social accounting is the process of collecting information about the activities an organisation carries out, which are the intended outputs for day-to-day operations. This has been developed to help social impact be recorded and demonstrate to providers that a service is worth keeping. Cost-benefit analysis. These tools are developed by commissioners to prove social and economic value. They allow services to put a monetary value on things such as volunteer hours and gift and grants given to use non-monetary elements, like office space. Understanding outcomes. Because social enterprises put the pursuit of social impact over profit maximisation, investors are often wary about the abilities of these to run sustainably and provide a financial return. It is difficult to assess the social return on investment, as they are often considered soft outcomes and difficult to accurately quantify. As a social entrepreneur, you need to work on how you can measure the outcomes you know you are producing. Social return on investment is the main tool used to measure these outcomes. It's a quantitative measurement tool that is simply a personalised process created by you, looking at environmental and social values that are not included in conventional business accounting, providing a monetary value for social impact. There are 3 key elements of social enterprise. 1. An unexpected benefit to assessing your impact is that it allows you to identify your strengths and weaknesses as an organisation. 2. Identifying and engaging relevant stakeholders is key to impact management, as it allows you to accurately measure the impact you're having. It's important to know who are the relevant stakeholders and the best way to engage them. And 3. Measure outcomes. An output only tells you that an activity has taken place, whereas an outcome is an indicator of change. You need to make sure you are proving the change that you are making. Now you know how to accurately evaluate the impact your enterprise is having. Good luck.